Sharpening Your Note-Taking Skills, Mastering Paraphrasing and Summarizing. Hello learners! Today we are delving into the art of effective note-taking. In particular, we'll focus on the techniques of paraphrasing and summarizing, both of which are vital in researching any topic for public speaking and presentations. Let's begin with defining what these techniques are. Paraphrasing is when you take a piece of information and restate it in your own words. You are not changing the original meaning, instead, you are simply expressing the same information in a different way. It is useful for breaking down complex ideas into simpler language. On the other hand, summarizing is about condensing a larger piece of information into a shorter version. This is helpful when you want to provide a quick overview of a topic, or condense the key points of a lengthy piece of text. Now, you might be wondering why paraphrasing and summarizing are so important when it comes to note-taking. Well, these techniques not only help you to better understand and remember the material, but they also allow you to analyze and synthesize the information, which is a critical part of learning. They also save you from the trap of plagiarism as you express ideas in your own words instead of copying verbatim. Paraphrasing might seem simple, but there's a knack to doing it right. Here are some steps to guide you. 1. Read the original text carefully. It's important to understand the core ideas before trying to express them in your own words. 2. Identify the key points. Highlight or underline the main ideas. 3. Rewrite the text in your own words. Don't just substitute synonyms. Try to change the sentence structure as well. 4. Review your paraphrase. Make sure you have accurately conveyed the same meaning as the original text. Just like paraphrasing, summarizing requires understanding and creativity. Follow these steps to write effective summaries. 1. Read the original text thoroughly. Understand the main arguments and themes. 2. Highlight the main points. Note down the key ideas. 3. Write a brief overview. Use your notes to write a shortened version of the text. Remember, a summary should be much shorter than the original text. 4. Review your summary. Check to ensure it provides a clear and concise representation of the original text. And that wraps up our session on paraphrasing and summarizing. We hope that you found this lesson helpful and are now more confident in your note-taking abilities. Remember, these are skills that get better with practice, so don't be disheartened if you don't master it immediately. Until next time, happy learning!